In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google Docs. We'll walk through how to email your Google Doc directly from the document so you can send a clean copy without downloading first. This method is quick, reliable, and great for sharing polished versions of your work. Start by making sure your document is finished. Give it a quick review for formatting, spelling, and any unresolved comments. When everything looks good, head to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This is where Google Docs keeps all the export and sharing options you'll use for sending. In the File menu, hover over Email. A small submenu appears with different choices. Select Email this file. This option sends a copy of the document as an attachment, which means your recipient won't need access to your Google Drive to open it. It's different from emailing collaborators, which only notifies people already added to the file. A dialog box will open. In the To field, type the email address of the person you're sending it to. If you want to send it to more than one person, separate addresses with commas. You can also use CC or BCC if those options appear, which is handy for keeping others informed without cluttering the main recipient line. Next, look at the subject and message fields. The subject usually fills in automatically with your document title, but you can edit it to make your email clearer. In the message box, add a short note so your recipient knows what to expect, like a summary, a deadline, or a quick hello for context. This small touch helps your email stand out and reduces back and forth. Before sending, choose the file type you want to attach. PDF is best when you want to preserve formatting and prevent edits. Docx is great if the recipient needs to make changes in Microsoft Word. Other formats may be available, but PDF and DocX cover most needs. Pick the one that suits your goal. When everything looks right, recipient, subject, message, and file type, click Send. Google Docs will attach the file and email it directly from your account. Depending on your settings, you might see a brief confirmation or receive a copy in your inbox. And that's it, you're done. If someone says they can't open the file, double-check the format you chose and resend as PDF if needed. For very large documents, give it a moment to process. With this workflow, you can confidently share a polished version of your document in just a few clicks.